There are actually various ways to solve the problem. The first and the simplest one is, from this screen, click on the Tax Tools button at the left side of your screen. Then click on the Tools option here. Pop-up will appear and you want to click on Delete a Form. And you may see all of your form that you already filled in TurboTax, and here, search for the form named Retun Worksheet. Enrollment status. That's your keyword. Make sure to browse the page right here. Just check on every page by clicking the number right here. And when you did find the Retun Worksheet, Enrollment Status form, click on the trash icon to delete that form. After that, you may e-file your tax return again. That's basically the first way to fix the issue or error. The second way is, if your issue or relate to the educations or other specific form, you may try to go to the education section, select child and edit their school info, and did as the helper told us right here. So on the TurboTax, go to Deductions and Credits, search for Education, and do the 1098T. There are also some works around this. Feel free to take a screenshot. Most of it, more or less, are the same as what we have practiced before. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.